Before I show you that little Dodge pickup, I'll show you the graveyard over here. Team USA Collision Centers. My day is not complete until I've terrified a complete stranger. Alright. What's this? Goblin House. Hoss.com. Will she open? Oh man. Oh man. Wow. How many do you think she's seen? How many laid right there? The last ride, man. The last ride. There's a saying I heard somewhere. So don't let your first ride in a hearse be your last. I don't know what year this is. What's it, late 70s, 80s, something? I think I know it's in 80s. I think it's in the 80s. I want to say. There's a front end on it. Not sure. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you a quick look at these cars. This used to have a lot more, man. A Mustang too, is it? Ford here. Firebird. Lincoln. Elky. Not in great shape. Another elk dog. Another Ford. A Buick LeSabre 4-door. And another Ford. And another Ford. And a Wildcat. Buick Wildcat. And I think some Studebakers back there, and some panel, and a Mustang, and a burnt truck. Yeah, they used to have all this area here, all this, where they got all these damn crappy trucks, all this junk here. You know, this was all full of the old cars, all this stuff back here, man. There was even a 67, what I believe was a real SS67 Chevelle. But, you know, before I was doing YouTube, so, you know, it is what it is. Just gotta take my word for it, I guess. Let's see. Yeah. Be careful out here. Normally, not something that, you know, I tend to gravitate towards, but you know, I thought it was cool looking, man. with the stripes there going on, you know, the way, the color of it, you know, it's got the old school camper on the back there, matching color, you know. D50 1979 Dodge D50. Or I guess it was made by Mitsubishi. I really don't know much about these trucks. Yeah. They took the emblems. Dash is cracked. What does that say? Oh, is that a police impound deal? That might be some for police. I see policed. Not sure. Warning something. I can't tell what that is. It's been so long. Man, they took something off this thing. Jeez. Neat little truck though, you know. Automatic. This is Mitsubishi right there. Yeah. Yeah. I like the steering wheel on it. I do. It's got a little sport looking, you know, three bar steering wheel. Yeah, I like that. Get your handle there for your CB. I don't know if I guess it might have had one at one point. And there's nothing in there. Take it, it's all down there. I see your, there's your owner's manual, a few other literature from Chrysler there, and I see your 2D navigation. That's important in case your phone goes out. The 700 Club, is that what that says? Is that what that is? Sport. The tailgate's gone. I wonder what that says. Something. I think Baylor. Is that Baylor University? I think so. Baylor's out in Waco. Up and back here. So I wonder if these tops were something you just got an aftermarket, or was it like you can get this as an option by the dealer, you know? I'm not sure. It's cool though. I like it. Yeah. And we got here Jesus Lives. Is this the Jesus Lives edition? I'm kind of thinking that wasn't an option. I don't think so. Although, you know, it actually goes with it. It's got no on the other side, right? Yeah. It's got the matching deal. Yeah. Let's take a quick look under the hood. Looks like I put a brand new radiator in it. It's like they were messing with it. There it is. It's engine G5 4B. I don't know what engine this is. But there you are. There you go. There's your paint code. That's easy. And it says they're applicable to 1979 model year for light duty trucks. Yeah. Well, there she is, man. Just thought I'd get a video of this one. Like I said, not something I normally do, but it's, you know, it's got like that 70s vibe to it. I don't know, the paint scheme, I mean, the, you know, the decal scheme going on there. Yeah. All right, man, it's gonna do me.